Hi everyone, welcome to our new vlog. We recently moved to a new house, and in today's vlog we will be setting up our house for Christmas.
And we'll be starting off by putting up our Christmas tree and decorating it, and we'll also make some Christmas cookies. And this Christmas is very special because we have family. Do you want to introduce? Hi! She's my sister Shravya, and this is my mom. Hi! And together we'll be decorating our house for Christmas.
To get some Christmas vibes, we are wearing Christmas themed sweaters.
Yeah, all of us are in red, green and some snowy, Christmassy vibes. So let's start decorating.
And it's also a perfect day to put the Christmas tree because it's snowing in Seattle. Let me just show you. Yeah, it's been snowing from past 2 days. And you can see there is so much snow in our backyard. Yeah, it gives a lot of Christmas vibes.
So this is our Christmas tree. This year we got a very big Christmas tree which is 7.5 feet. And here we have some Christmas decor. So these are all the ornaments which will go on top of our Christmas tree. And we got these from various different places. They are really cute. And our theme for this year is golden. So we got some additional golden ornaments as well. So we'll be putting up our Christmas tree in this corner, which I think will look really good.
Yeah, it's right next to the fireplace. So look good.
Let's put it.
Okay, this year we got a flocked Christmas tree. So it's basically a Christmas tree with snow on top of it. It looks really good.
It also looks very real.
Yeah. Yeah, the tree is really big. So it is come in, I think, 3 pieces. So we have to just
It's A, B and C.
stack on top of it and spread out the leaves. Yeah, the tree is pretty much ready and we are putting up the final part. Yes, now we have to just spread out the leaves. It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's so big.
It's like 7.5 feet. So we have set up the entire tree. It's looking really good. Now it's time to light it up. Oh wow. Looks so good.
Now it's time to decorate.
Yeah, decorate with ornaments.
Looks so gorgeous.
Which is your favorite ornament?
I think mine is this reindeer. I really like it. It's so cute.
Which is yours?
Mine is the snowman. Mine is Santa.
Santa? Wow, it's so cute. And which is your favorite ornament?
Mine was this one. This is like a house door. It says 2022 on it.
Yeah.
This is the year we bought our house. So.
It's precious. So Christmas is all about being with family and eating sweet sugary things. So as we are putting up our tree, we plan to make some double chocolate chip cookies. So let's see how to make it.
So to make the decadent double chocolate chip cookie, we need about a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of sugar, a cup of semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips, or whichever you prefer, 2 eggs, a little splash of vanilla extract, about 1/3 cup of butter, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of the cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. And I've also measured a cup of all-purpose flour. Now I'll be adding about 1/3 of a cup of the cocoa powder and a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Just that. So now we have the dry ingredients ready. We also need about 200 grams, or we need about 180 grams of these choco chips. So I'll be mixing the melted butter and the sugar. Do you want to mix?
Yes.
Looks so good. Chocolate chips now. Looks very nice.
It's so fudgy. So now the exciting part of doing the cookies.
So we've been getting our hands dirty and making some yummy cookies.
How big should it be?
Not too big because it's going to spread out once it bakes so much. Yeah, I think so.
So let me also try getting my hands dirty.
Do you want me to put it?
Yeah.
It's very sticky.
It's very sticky, but
It's fine.
it smells really good.
Yeah.
So we are adding some finishing touches, adding some chocolate chip cookies.
Extra chocolate chip. While I'm licking all the cookie dough. Now we'll bake these cookies in the oven, which is preheated at 350 Fahrenheit. I think it should take about 10 minutes.
Now we are decorating the fireplace mantle with this garland.
Turn it on. Check.
Ooh.
Give the first bite to Amma.
How is it?
Wow, nice.
How is it? Is it very hot? Sorry.
It's very true.
Very awesome.
Very nice. I like cookies when it's warm.
Now it's gooey in the center.
Yay, thumbs up. everyone for watching our video. I hope you all liked it. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas from all of us.
And a Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. Bye.
Happy holidays,
Bye.
guys.